What's the meaning of Cheltenham Ladies College? Cheltenham Ladies College. Cheltenham Ladies College.
Cheltenham Ladies College. Cheltenham Ladies College. Cheltenham Ladies College is a prestigious independent boarding and day school for girls aged 11 to 18, located in Cheltenham, Gloucestershire, England. Founded in 1853, it is one of the oldest and most respected institutions for girls' education in the world, with a strong focus on academic excellence, personal development, and global citizenship. The school offers a broad and diverse curriculum, including STEM subjects, arts, humanities, and languages, as well as a range of extracurricular activities, sports, and clubs. Graduates of Cheltenham Ladies College are highly regarded and go on to succeed in a variety of fields.